Who there?
Ngetwe. Butcher. Wagwan.
Who come to talk to you about the association with you and Siva? What really a go on?
You tell the man them say you don't know who shoot you. But yet still you face the shooter. How that possible? Is either you cover up for somebody or you hide something.
The brother there. I know we him come find now. Are you? So talk to him.
It's me said, me and Siva in no business. Again. I tell you no, I go on.
Yeah, it is. My father, your foot in it. We need full reasoning. So you ever go out, link vicious and tell him for me to run a drunk tree. You hear that?
Brother, so nobody not tell me what go on at a funeral. And Miss Bruce said them have to tell me what go on, you know.
Then you say your baby mother come left you with them and you can't make no move. How you do? You have short-term memory.
Plus, we not compete with your parental responsibilities, brother. And come to think of it, maybe for the best you know in the charge.
Miss Bruce said them a show me say, boy, Siva did over a funeral. A real talk bad man.
Live and in living color.
And the worst part, in a Minister Wallace jacket pocket.
So no star. Miss Bruce said them a show me say, boy, they dead, you know. And nobody no move to him.
You see why me I show you say it's a good thing you never did it. Plus, we couldn't disturb what look like to me an ongoing investigation.
Yo, that's why me I tell Miss Bruce them say, if make we get the thing them in a bad man. Cause we can't just a move up and down empty handed, so you know. A crazy name out there, you know.
That me want to talk to you about, you. Well, on, you deal with this thing or me deal with this. So you call down the people them phone and pressure them about things, brother. Mine you make the people them feel like say something different we want to do in brother.
You would even understand bad man. It make a show you would even know bad man. Charge you want to know what's going over a bar the other day. I want to board them, see have gone like they want to violate nothing and bring phone to her and them think they're a bad man.
Tell me something. What kind of phone thing we not talk about? How go on?
King man, you know them they take with two girls from over our side. With them like a phone scam thing.
Judge.
Them have a thing where them a go and put powder upon the phone. And I knock out the woman them and kidnap them.
Yeah, me da hear that thing. So where you assess? Somebody forward at your bar with that?
Then I hit me and tell the king man, the boy have phone in a plastic bag at talk about to put credit on the phone. All of them thing there. And then when the boy all left the bar, him a come tell man about dig off face and you know we not take them style you know king. Was him not even come from around there. And that's why me a pressure Miss Bishop them.
And that me a try tell you. So you can't pressure I think, cause you're gonna make you feel like a different reason we want things to do, brother.
How go on? Miss Bishop, them a try legal up some strap phone, no?
Yeah man. So that's why I tell him, say, him can't pressure things so cause we do this the right way. And you know them things they take a little time, King.
A real talk, you know, Vish. Cause watch your style. You see that? Even more serious than when you walk with the illegal thing. Cause it's technical. As you slip, you slide.
So King man, as a elder, I want you tell me how you would deal with this. Cause we don't know say Siva dey a road, you know. Butcher them might safe with it, you know. But me I tell you straight, you know, me not feel comfortable with it. You hear?
You know we're comfortable with it now. So hold on, you feel me like this? And what we have to do to make sure so we're on the right track, bad man. Move too speedy more while that with you.
Brother, don't show you what go on, I'm a boy already, you know, bad man. And God merciful on me, hear that?
Warriors. That's why I call that meeting here. The overs. Because it's a based on when me are overs right here, so since me come here, so. And when me see I go on with this boy, Siva, you have to step up the game. You understand? A chess you have to start playing. Strategic. You see me? So here we go on. Link Miss Brissett them and see if we can get them to lock up this boy. You see me? Because I don't want to touch him. None at all right now. I see if I can get him locked up for even 24 hours, the rest I will take care of. One visit. After all, I body them receive a prisoner and alive people.
So now that's when you know say him there a road. And him have back it in. You no feel like say butcher life at danger.
All our life in a danger.
Until we bury him.